Today I'm going to show you how to change Amazon Prime video quality to HD, Full HD, or even use data saver mode. This is especially useful if you want to improve video clarity on a fast connection or reduce data usage when streaming on limited bandwidth. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the video playback settings we'll be adjusting. Now, although I can't play a movie right now since my account isn't yet upgraded, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow once you're ready to stream. The process is straightforward and only takes a moment. When you're logged in and ready, play any movie or TV show from the Prime Video library. Simply click on the title you want to watch and hit play. Once the video starts playing, this is where you'll access the quality settings. While the video is playing, look toward the top right corner of the playback controls. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open up the available playback options. This is the hub where you can customize your viewing experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Video Quality. This option controls how the stream is delivered to your device, whether you want maximum clarity or lower resolution to save data. Next, choose Best for HD or Full HD quality. Depending on your content and connection speed, this option will deliver video up to 1080p resolution on supported titles. Selecting Best ensures you're getting the highest quality stream available for that particular video, provided your internet speed can handle it. The change you just made applies immediately to the current stream. You don't need to restart the video or refresh the page. Within a few seconds, you should notice improved clarity and sharper detail, especially on larger screens. If your connection is slower, you might experience a brief moment of buffering as the stream adjusts to the higher quality setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed the video quality on Amazon Prime Video to get the best viewing experience possible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.